I'm going to show you how easy it is to start using Testuff test management software. You can get your team working live in 5 minutes. After you take a few seconds to download Testuff, you'll need to register your account. Name and email address is all it takes, no credit card required. Next, you'll want to create a new test or tests. Just go to the Tests tab, click on Add Test, and write the test. You can add many tests at once, adding their information later. If you have tests in another place, no problem. You can easily import tests. Now it's time to run the test. Simply right-click on a test and select Run. Test Runner opens, and you can start executing the test. Pass or fail steps as you go. If you fail a step or test, simply by clicking on the X, you'll be able to report the bug. Fill in the details using the bug reporter and hit Submit. That's it. In 5 minutes, you're writing tests, running them, and reporting bugs. While your team is already working, you can move forward and start building your testing in more depth using the Testuff comprehensive features. Configure your bug tracker integration. Customize different fields as you need them. Assign tests to testers, and so much more. Get started now at www.testuff.com.